Alright, today I'm taking a look at the Llano HDMI 2.1 two-way switch. It says this is good for up to 8K, that's pretty impressive. And I do like that. I don't like having a lot of big things just kind of invading my space, so having a nice tiny little switch like that, that's like perfect. So it says, to ensure stable and fast output of signal, please use a standard cable. The total length of both ends cannot exceed 10 inches when using Type-C to HDMI cable, so that's pretty uncommon anyway. 10 inches is pretty short though. I wonder how accurate that is. In order to get a better product experience, we suggest you to connect micro USB cable to your USB devices just in case your HDMI devices with low power. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I mean, it looks nice, it looks sleek. I like the tiny size, really. This is probably the best thing for me. So you have one HDMI port on the back, so this is where you would plug in the TV, this is where you plug in the power, and then on the other side we have the two HDMIs in. So this is where you would plug in your console and your PC or vice versa or whatever you want. So nice and small, good feeling click. Looks like we got a couple lights on the top, so we'll see what that does. And yeah, nice tiny little unit. So there's the cable, and it looks like it's about 3, maybe 4 feet. And that is USB-A to micro USB. Alright, so the first thing to do is unplug my HDMI going to the TV. And I'm going to plug that into the out. I'm going to plug in power. So we got a blue light now. I'm going to plug in one of the inputs. I'll plug in another HDMI cable. And I got an HDMI to USB-C adapter. So now I can use my phone on the same screen if I want to swap back. Now I'm back on the computer. Pretty cool.